Time management is important for all of us. It helps us to plan and control how we spend the hours in our day. It helps us to organize and to be more effective and productive. Successful time management does not mean we work harder. It is about working smarter by focusing on the quality of our work, not the quantity. In order to successfully manage our time, we need to be able to set goals, prioritize tasks, and monitor how we spend our time. Good time management means creating time to concentrate on the important activities, not just the urgent ones.
So, good morning, everyone. We present to you Choreminder, your household chores simplified, effortlessly managed, and shared chores with family. Next slide. So, what is Choreminder? Choreminder is a comprehensive and user-friendly chore management application available on both mobile devices and web platforms. It addresses the common challenges associated with household chore coordination and tracking, aiming to streamline the process, improve accountability, and reduce conflicts within households. Next slide. So, the problem. Household chore management represents a common yet persistent challenge for families, roommates, and individuals across the globe. It's a multifaceted issue rooted in several key pain points. Number one is disorganization and confusion. Households often grapple with disorganized chore systems, relying on handwritten notes, verbal agreements, or fragmented digital tools me- like text messages or sticky notes. This results in confusion and misunderstandings about who is responsible for which task, leading to missed chores and increased tension. Number two is accountability gaps. Without a clear system in place, accountability for chore completion is often lacking. Family members or roommates may forget or neglect their assigned tasks, leading to frustration and strained relationships. Three is conflict and stress. Chore-related disputes are a significant source of stress within households. Arguments over fairness, responsibility, and perceived effort create an atmosphere of tension. These conflicts disrupt family harmony and compromise overall well-being. Number four is wasted time and energy. Managing chores without a centralized system consumes valuable time and energy. Families and individuals spend precious hours on coordination, reminders, and tracking that could be better spent on quality time together or pursuing personal goals. And lastly is digital clutter. The proliferation of digital tools has introduced a new layer of complexity. Households are juggling multiple task management apps, calendars, and communication platforms. The result is a digital clutter that further hinders efficient chore management. Next slide. Next is our target market. So our first target market is families. Our primary target market is families of all sizes, from nuclear families to extended households. Second is roommates. Beyond families, our app is also designed for roommates living together, such as college students, young professionals, or shared housing situations. And lastly is household of all types. Charminder is versatile and adaptable to various household types. including single individuals managing their own space. So, next slide. Next is our solution. Charminder offers a robust and intuitive solution to tackle the complexities of household chore management. Here's an in-depth look at how our app simplifies the process. So number one is customizable chore lists. Charminder provides users with the flexibility to create chore lists tailored to their household's unique needs. Users can easily add, edit, or delete chores, ensuring that the app adapts to evolving requirements. Number two is chore assignment and tracking. Assigning chores is effortless. Users can designate specific tasks to family members or roommates within the app. A comprehensive dashboard tracks chore progress, displaying completed and pending tasks in real time. Number three is gamification for motivation. Charminder incorporates game-like elements to boost motivation. Users earn rewards, badges, and compete on leaderboards, making chore completion engaging and fun. Achievements and friendly competitions encourage active participation among household members. Four is seamless communication. Our in-app chat feature simplifies communication within the household. Users can discuss chore-related matters, share updates, or clarify responsibilities directly through the app. Notifications ensure that messages are promptly received and addressed. Number five is integration with calendars. Charminder integrates seamlessly with popular calendar applications. Users can schedule chores and set reminders, ensuring that no task is overlooked. Calendar sync keeps everyone informed and on track with their responsibilities. Lastly is home device integration. For added convenience, Charminder can connect with smart home devices such as voice assistants or IoT appliances. Users can automate certain chore or receive alerts when specific tasks need attention, harnessing the power of smart technology for efficient chore management.
Marketing and sales strategy. Marketing strategy. Number one, digital marketing campaigns utilize targeted digital marketing campaigns on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. Tailor ad content to appeal to families, roommates, and individuals seeking chore management in solutions. Leverage demographic and interest-based targeting to reach the most relevant audience. Number two, partnership and influencers. Collaborate with influential parenting bloggers, home to organization experts, and lifestyle influencers. Partner with them to create engaging content, tutorials, and reviews to showcase your minder's benefits. Leverage influencers' reach to increase brand visibility and credibility. Number three, social media engagement. Maintain an inactive presence on social media platforms with regular posts, updates, and user-generated content. Encourage user participation through challenges, contests, and sharing stories. Respond promptly to user inquiries, feedback on media channels. Sales strategy. Number one, freemium model. Offer a freemium model providing basic chore management features for free. Attract users to the app and allow them to experience its benefits without initial cost. Number two, premium subscription plans. Introduce premium subscription plans that unlock advanced features like family analytics, enhanced customization, and premium customer support. Offer both monthly and annual subscription options to cater to user preferences. Number three, Family and group plans implement family and group plans that allow multiple users within household or shared living space to collaborate and manage chores efficiently, offer bundled pricing for families and roommates. Competitors, competitors. Competitor, tidy task app description. Tidy task is well-established chore management app with large user base. Strengths, intuitive interface, robust task tracking, and loyal user community. Weakness, limited gamification features, lacks integration with smart home device. Market presence, available on both Android iOS with over 5 million downloads. Indirect competitor. AnyTask. Description: AnyTask is a general task management app that includes chore management as a feature. Difference lacks the specialization and gamification features offered by ChoreMinder. Potential impact appeals to users seeking a single app for various tasks but may not excel in chore-specific needs. Market share and trends. Competitor. Market shares are not publicly available, but industry reports indicate a growing demand for core management apps, driven by increasing household complexities and digitalization trends. Competitive advantages of ChoreMinder. User-friendly interface. ChoreMinder intuitive design caters to all of ages, making it accessible and enjoyable. Gamification: our app motivates users with rewards, leaderboards, and achievements badges, setting us apart from competitors. Gamification ensures efficient task coordination. Meet our team. CEO Joshua Benedict Aniceto, extensive experience in app development and product. CTO Jefferson Arevalo, leading technology expert with a background in app security and AI. Thank you very much.